So welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how to do the glow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we are going to go ahead to our text tool and we are going to type the word here GLOW, glow. The next thing we're going to do is to click to the move tool and reposition these in shape. So the next thing to do is to go to our effects tab and search for shadows. So we are going to be dragging drop shadow from our effects tab. So shadow is what we're going to search for. I'm going to be dragging and dropping our drop shadow right on the text clip. So that's the first thing to do. Head over to your effects and control, change the color effect to white. I'm going to be changing this to perfect white. I'm going to click on continue. So you can see the glow already there. Then I'm going to leave our opacity in 50. Our direction is going to have the same value, distance 0, and our softness set it to a value of 20. So we're going to go ahead to click on this drop shadow here and we're going to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So I'm copying and pasting this. Then the next thing to do is to change the value of software higher to another value, so 20. So I'm going to do the same thing again for this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, until we start noticing our glow effect here on the text. So I can increase this to 50. The next value I should increase this to be times 2, that's 100. So I'm going to repeat the same step over and over again to have 100. Then you can notice the glow effect coming out right here, and I'll change this to 200. So this is 200, so we can see the glow effects right there. So the next thing to do is to go ahead to our effect and search for tint. So I'll be searching here for tint. I'm going to be dragging my tint here and I'm going to be dropping it right on the text clip again. So then the next thing to do is to click on our tint and change the color here of our tint. So I'm going to be changing the map white to, I'm going to click and I'm going to pick whatever color I'm going to. So this is it with the red tint. I basically don't fancy this, so I'll be changing this to a yellowish type. So click on the map white to, then change the map white to yellow. So let's say this, boom, you can see how beautiful this already look. Then you can decide to save this as a preset here. You're going to go back to the first drop shadow tool we made. So I'm going to click here on my drop shadow one, and I'm going to go and press shift, then click on tint. So like that, we've selected everything. So the next thing to do is to click on save presets. I'm going to save this as yellow, so yellow tint, so or yellow glow effect. So I'm going to click on OK, and here we can bring back this effect without having to do this long process again. So let's go ahead to test for this. I'm going to be typing my word there, GLOW. So now let's watch if this works. So glow testing. So let's move this to see if it will actually work. So glow test. So I'm going to go ahead to my effects tab, straight after positioning it. I'm going to search for the word there, yellow. So remember it is yellow, so yellow tint, yellow glow. So I'm going to drag my yellow glow right on the clip and you can see, boom, it shows without the long process. So why not like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.